Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is the 32nd day of war here in Israel. And I hear some sound of bomb. This 3 o'clock in the morning. That's why I wake up early in the morning. From 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, I hear a sound of bomb far from our place. And I feel lonely because every one sound of bomb, there was a loss. There is a lost life. But anyway, this is Sha, and this is Israel Hotel Housekeeper channel. Today I wake up early in the morning and I hear a sound of bomb from my place, far from my place. And I feel lonely every time I hear a sound of bomb because maybe there is a lost life. Not only one life, but many lives lost. Yesterday we didn't hear a siren, and this morning, and we try to go back in our dormitory and sleep here. You know, any danger, anywhere we are, we must pray at least 5 minutes. Not only for our safe, but for the safe of all people here in Israel. And yesterday, one of my guests said that there is a lot of evil in this world now. And I told to him, yes, you're right. But even 14 nations stand for Israel, and 165 is not stand for the Israel. I told to him that there is God. Even you are one, there is God. Remember, in the scripture said, at least one faithful person there, the God is there. And Israel have many faithful people. That's why the God is here. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And be safe and always pray.